Hello friends, welcome to Kmaths-Foundation. Today we are moving on to divisions of fraction. But before we start, I want to say a very big thank you for your support on this channel. I highly appreciate you, and it's my pleasure to be here again to teach you the way you can understand. If you're a parent, don't give up on that child. Give him or her all the best of all chances to succeed, just like this, and also pray along. And if you are a student, please give all the best you can to improve on your mathematics performance. Don't give up. Please, I also want your full support to promote this work by subscribing and sharing to friends, family, and loved ones. Thank you. So we are looking at divisions of fractions. Let's look at some of the examples we have here. We have example 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 over 4 divided by 3 over 2 in our first example. So how do we solve a question like this? This is a division sign here. This is a division sign, or this slash. So either of the two, they are the same. So, but because of this division sign here, we will not be able to solve direct. So we need to do something. There is something that we call reciprocal in mathematics. So I'm going to teach you how to apply reciprocal to switch this fraction here. So I will teach you how to apply the reciprocal, and we'll come back to the examples. Okay. So reciprocal in mathematics is what you get when you switch the top and bottom numbers of fraction. This switching 1 over 3. This is example 1 over 3. The reciprocal of 1 over 3 is 3 over 1 because of the switch. The numerator will come down while the denominator will move up. So this is how to switch. You switch the top and the bottom numbers of fraction. So this is also, we can also switch this 2 over 3. So the reciprocal of 3 over 2 is 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 is the reciprocal of 3 over 2, while 3 over 1 is the reciprocal of 1 over 3. And by the time you are switching the division sign, when we get to the example, we'll understand it better. The division sign will change to multiplication as the switch takes place. Now, but there's something I want to show you. You may be asked to find the reciprocal, to solve the reciprocal of 5 or 5 over 3. Maybe you are told to solve to find the reciprocal of 5 over 3. The reciprocal of a single fraction, just like you can see here, is 1. So we are going to solve it. Switch this. We have 3 over what? 5. So when you are solving, you have to apply your multiplication sign. So what do we do here? We know we need to multiply or to divide it straight. So I'm going to divide it straight to make it easy. 5 here 1, 5 in 5 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 1. So we now see that our answer is what? 1 times 1 is 1 over 1. 1 times 1 is 1 over 1 times 1. So our answer will be what? 1 over 1. And you know that 1 over 1 will give you 1. So when you are asked to find, you can do this one. Find the reciprocal of 2 over 3. So by the time you solve this, you will get 1 as your answer. So the reciprocal of any single fraction is 1. So let's come to our example now. So coming to our example, we have 3 over 4 divided by 3 over 2. So the application of reciprocal will help us to solve this question. So we have 3 over 4, then times, I told you that the sign will change to multiplication as we apply the reciprocal. And when you apply the reciprocal, it is this fraction at the right hand side that the sign that will be switched, not this one. It is this one that will be switched. This is like a double fraction. So it is, we have one side here and we have another side. So it is this one that is dividing this, because we have 3 over 4 divided by this. So it is this one that is dividing this, that we have to switch. So and by the time we are switching it, that is, the one at the numerator will come down, while the one at the denominator we have to move up. So by the time we do that, the sign will change. So we have what? 2 over 3 because of the switch. So do we leave our answer like this? No. We now go on to solve now. When you get to this place, we can multiply. And when you multiply, the one at the top will multiply each other, while the one below at the bottom will multiply each other. So it will be 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, over 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. Or if you don't want to use the multiplication direct, you can cross it, like 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 in 4, 2. So you can also cross it like that. So what do we have here? When we multiply, we use multiplication. We have 6 over 12, 6 here 1, 6 can go in 12, that is 2. So our final answer is equals to what? 1 over 2. So that is our answer. Let's quickly go to the second one. We have 4 over 10. I told you multiply by 5. Do you understand now how we arrive at 5 over 2? The switching method. Only this one will be switched. Only this side, the one at the right hand side. So 4 multiply 4 times 5. Now I may decide not to multiply here direct. I can just break it. It will become easy. Now 2 here 1, 2 here, that is 2. And by the time you are breaking them, or you are dividing them, you can only divide the one at the top, like the one at the top to the bottom. It's not crossing like this, or the one at the numerator or denominators. So you have to divide the one at the top and bottom. So you can see that I can cross from here to here. Like for example, 5 here 1, I will come down, 5 here 2. So we have 2 times 1, 2, over 2 times 1, 2. Please pause the video and rewatch it. You can understand better if you don't understand. So 2 over 2 is what? Is 1. So we have arrived at our answer. Let's come to number 3. 10 over 3 divided by 10 over 6 is still the same thing. Let's write it in this form. We have 10 over 3 divided by, they are the same, by what? 10 over 6. You see they are the same now. So how do we do it now? We can now apply reciprocal, our reciprocal method times what? 6 over 10. Can you see that this one has to come down and 6 has to go up? So what can we do here? We can just divide this one. 10 in 10, 1. 10 in 10, 1. Very easy. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 2 in 6, 2. You see that I can only divide this, I can only move this up to cross this one at the bottom. So it's not 6 here or 10 or 6 in 10. No. So it has to go either like this or crossing like this. And the number that you use to divide up must be the number you use to divide the bottom, or the number you use to divide the bottom must be the number you use to divide the top. So 1 times 2 is 2. You see that we have 1 times 2 is 2 over 1 times 1 is 1. So 2 over 1 is equals to what? Is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So we have that's our answer. Okay, there is I have an assignment for you. Solve this assignment and write the answer in the comment box below. And if you want to ask any question, you can please ask question. Use the comment box below. I will see your question. Please answer this question, as you it will also help you to be able to analyze and to check up how far you have learned the lesson. See you in the next video.